Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to download and install Mitron in your mobile.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
The Mitron app is India's another video sharing app, a competitor to China's TikTok app. The app is available on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Watch this full video to learn how to download and install Mitron on new Android mobile. To begin, open the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and type Mitron. Select Mitron from the resulting menu. Now tap on the install button. The app is started to download. Now the app will be installed. And the app is installed. Now open the app. Now you have to create an account to use this app. So in this way, you can download and install Mitron in your mobile. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.